In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account and start your website setup. First, open your browser and head to the official Hostinger registration page. This is where everything begins. You'll see a simple sign-up form. Enter your email address and create a secure password you'll remember, or if you prefer, choose a sign-up option like Google to streamline the process. A strong password is essential for protecting your site and data, so consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep your login details somewhere safe so you can access your account quickly whenever you need. Next, you'll select the plan that fits your goals. Hostinger offers traditional hosting plans and a website builder option. Take a moment to compare what each plan includes. Look for essentials like how many websites you can host, the storage and performance you'll get, and whether the plan includes helpful add-ons. If you want a straightforward drag and drop experience with guided design, the website builder is a great pick. If you're planning to run a WordPress site or want more flexibility and control, choose a hosting plan tailored for that. Think about where you want your site to be in 6 to 12 months so your plan can grow with you. When you've decided, proceed to checkout. Enter your billing details carefully, choose your preferred payment method, and review your order before paying. Pay attention to the billing cycle you select. Longer terms may reduce the monthly price, while shorter terms offer more flexibility. Make sure everything looks right, then complete the payment. You'll see a confirmation when your purchase goes through. After that, log in to your new Hostinger account. If you're not redirected automatically, simply return to the login page and sign in with the credentials you just created. Once you're in the dashboard, you're ready to begin setting up your website. Hostinger will guide you through a quick setup flow. You can choose a domain, pick the website builder, or start with WordPress. If you're selecting a domain, aim for something short, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or project. You can search for availability and choose the extension that suits your audience. If you prefer the website builder, select it and follow the prompts to begin customizing your site with a template. If you're going with WordPress, choose that option to let Hostinger handle the technical setup through a guided process. That's it. You've created your account and kicked off your website the right way.